like, share, subscribe.
Medieval Indian armies, Indo-Islamic forces, from the 7th to early of the 16th centuries. India's first Arab Islamic conquerors, 7th to mid-8th centuries. South Arabian Asawira armored cavalrymen, from the pre-Islamic Sasanian garrison of Yemen. Arab infantrymen. Chaknian commander. Armies of Islam's easternmost frontier, late 8th to mid-10th centuries. Safarid armored cavalrymen. Cavalrymen from the Hindu Kush or western Tibet. Scindian infantrymen. Ghaznavid field armies, 10th to 12th centuries. Ghaznavid armored infantrymen. Ghaznavid officer. Indo-Ghaznavid infantry archer. Ghaznavid palace troops, 10th to 12th centuries. Ghaznavid guardsmen, late 10th and 11th centuries. Ghaznavid armored cavalrymen, 11th to early 12th centuries. Ghaznavid Ghulam, 11th to early 12th centuries. Swordsmith, 11th to 12th centuries. Ghurid armies, late 12th and early 13th centuries. Ghurid officer. Ghurid infantryman. Khotanese or Western Tibetan infantrymen. Armies of the early Delhi and Bengal sultanates, mid-13th to 14th centuries. Senior officer. Mahout. Refugee cavalrymen from Central Asia or Eastern Iran. They took refuge in India due to the Mongol invasion. Nepalese infantrymen. Bahmanid armies, mid-14th to early 16th centuries. Indian foot soldier. Armored cavalrymen. Mahout. Armies of the later Delhi and Bengal sultanates, 15th to early 16th centuries. Archer in training. Armored horse archer. Infantry archer using a Nawak or Madra arrow guide. Medieval Indian armies, Hindu, Buddhist and Jain. India, 5th to 7th centuries. Alksanhunik cavalrymen, late 5th to 6th centuries. Infantrymen from the Ganges Plain, 5th to 6th centuries. Infantry archer from central India, 5th to 7th centuries. Infantrymen from the deep south of India, 6th to 7th centuries. India, 8th and 9th centuries. Hindu Shahi noblemen, 7th to 8th centuries. War elephant from northern India, 8th to 9th centuries. Infantrymen from Bengal or Orissa, 8th to 9th centuries. India, 10th and 11th centuries. Gujarati cavalrymen, 10th to 11th centuries. Infantrymen from south central India, 10th to 11th centuries. Pratihara commander, 11th century. Northern India, 12th and 13th centuries. Armored cavalrymen from Kashmir, 12th to 13th centuries. Armored infantry archer from northwestern India, 12th to 13th centuries. Kashmiri lady, 12th century. Transport of the Deccan and South, 12th and 13th centuries. Gond tribal warrior, 12th century. Hosla armored war elephant, 12th to 13th centuries. Two-wheeled transport wagon, 12th to 13th centuries. Cavalry and infantry of the Deccan and South, 12th and 13th centuries. Hosla armored cavalryman, mid-13th century. Eastern Ganga commander or standard bearer, 12th to 13th centuries. Infantryman, South India, 12th to 13th centuries. Indian armies of the 14th century. Central Indian noblemen, 14th century. Elite infantry attendant from East Central India, 14th century. Chieftain from Gujarat, early 14th century. Indian armies of the 15th century. Cavalrymen from Central India, mid-15th century. Hindu noblemen from South Central India, mid-15th century. Muslim mercenary, Northern India, late 15th century.
Like, share, subscribe.